welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup look with a new palette. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. One, I come in and do like 2-3 videos at a time and I load and then you don't hear from me, or I do one and I don't hear from me. I've just been really extremely busy, but I finally am getting back into my makeup again. I'm getting new stuff because I've been using the same shit all the time. So my friend went and got me a new palette for me. She went to the store for me over there in the valley and I got this palette. This is by Beauty Creations. I've never tried anything from Beauty Creations. I wanted to get the one that they collabed with what's her name, Net69, and I didn't get to get the palette because it was sold out like really fast and really quick. So I'm hoping that they still have it because I kind of want that palette as well. But this one says Anna, and this is the one that they did with Frozen. So this is the Anna one, and I didn't get the other one. What's her name? Elle, or I can't remember, guys. I don't watch Frozen in forever, but I really like this one because this one has beautiful colors. So this palette looks like this, and then you kind of open it up and it comes with all these. This says this, and then it has all of these colors. Like, look at the freaking colors. Aren't they freaking beautiful? Like, these are so pretty. So I have like a little metallic like thing on there because I've been doing homecoming mums and garters. So yeah, so I'm missing a little length of the ribbing was in here. But yeah, like, this palette is so freaking cute. I got this, I think this was like $9.99 plus tax, coming like to probably $10.81 or something like that, which you cannot beat that for that price. Like, wow. And the palette is like really big and stuff like that. I think like Beauty Creations reminds me a lot of like BH Cosmetics, like the price range and stuff like that, and the fact that they're really good. But yeah, like, this just, I don't know. But if you want to see how I did this look with that palette, then keep on watching. I started the look because I was just gonna do like one eye and then demonstrate it on this eye, but I love these colors so much that I kind of just want to do like 2 different eye looks. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm going in with this peachy color. This one right here is the one that I put on this eye right here. It's just kind of like a, you know, like brush, the little transition shade brush. And then I think what I'm gonna do, I don't even know, like, there's so much pretty colors that I'm kind of just like, it's like, what are you gonna do to this eye? I'm looking at all the beautiful colors and I'm thinking that I want to do yellow on this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this bright ass yellow right here. And yellows are really like a hit and miss, to be honest with you. So I'm hoping that this yellow is going to do, like, hopefully it's like gonna come out. Oh yeah, I can see this. So the yellow does have a fallout, but I mean, like, what do you expect? Like, I'm excited. So I have my new tea. Every time y'all see a tea there, it's always a new one. I literally drink Dairy Burger tea practically every morning, and it lasts me a while because I take a nap afterwards. Okay, but that looks freaking good. Okay, like purples and blues on here, and then this one's like more, I don't know, you know what I mean? Okay, so this one I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this kind of like a magenta, which is the color of the palette. It's kind of like a fuchsia, not even fuchsia, because this one it's more of a fuchsia color. And the reason why I know what a fuchsia is because so many years in dancing, our skirts, our practice skirts had to be fuchsia. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. Oh my god, I'm getting like Arabian, like Princess Jasmine vibes with this palette. For the price, fuck yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. I'm using this bright ass orange right here, and I'm just gonna tap that and see. Like, I haven't really played with color in a while. Like, I'm just doing like the same palette, same look, just because I'm always in a hurry. But today I'm just like, oh no, got this palette last night and I got to fucking play with color. Look, I'm gonna go in with this really pretty bright ass, you know what, let's go with this deep purple blue right here, this one right here. I was gonna go with this other brighter blue, but I don't know why on camera it like caught my eye, and it's very pretty in person too, but I don't know what I was like, I didn't really like look at it until I looked at my viewfinder. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Holy moly, So then I did that color, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this really pretty green for this side, because I don't know, I like the way green looks with oranges and yellows. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this pretty green and see how this looks, because this is really pretty palette. Oh my goodness. So for the ending, because I'm still blending, I use this really darker purple right here, and then to blend this one, I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and go in with this like really nice color, that's too much pink, like a deeper orange, which is this one right here, to blend it. I'm probably gonna mix these two together just to give it that like darker smoky. Hey guys, so I'm gonna open up this new package of lashes that I got. I have a haul video. It might be up first in this, or it might be after this. I'm not too sure, but if you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch both videos, and I will link each videos in the description in the bottom. So we're gonna try and see how these lashes are. I've never used these before, and these are Fox Mink, and there are 3D. And I cannot wait to try them. So we're gonna go ahead and try them out. And I love my lashes to be really thick, really long, really full type of effect. That's my type of lash. But I feel like these are actually a pretty good size for mine. So we're gonna go ahead and put these lashes on. The lashes are on, and I really like them because they're really like what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this really bright yellow right here, and I'm gonna smudge that under here with a little bit of the green, and then on here I'm gonna go ahead and do more of the pink and a little bit of the purple. I'll go underneath. See, like right about there, and then I'm gonna go in with that bright like purple blue, like a violet. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put mascara on the bottom, and I'm using the Big Ego from Tarte. I'm gonna go ahead and use a nude liner for the waterline. So this is the final look. I really like this palette. I think this palette was really amazing. I freaking broke a nail, but I can't remove it because it's broken right in the bottom. Oh, it was bleeding. But anyway guys, so this is the look. I really like it. I think this palette is freaking amazing. I am especially going to be ordering some more so I can get them out for Christmas gifts and stuff like that, because this palette is really good. They have other ones out there that my friend had sent me, because she like FaceTimes me and says me like, oh, what do you want, whenever she goes to the store and stuff. But yeah, like I really like it. So anyway, that's it for this look. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.